it's me again. What am I doing? I am, what do you call it? Doing a tool review. Vintage tool review. I picked up this thing. Yay, it's what is it called? Let me get this out of here. This says Forged Steel, USA. There doesn't appear to be any other markings on this. It just says Forged Steel, USA. I don't know if there's any markings here or what. Let me check. Let me check. Hold on. A little brush here. It was painted black up to here. There's nothing written there. There's nothing there. There's nothing on the side here. Inside. Nope, nothing on the inside. It's a little tiny pair of pliers. I don't know if you could read that Forged USA thing in there. Right where my finger is over here. It's the only words there. It has a little wire cutter in there. Right in the middle here. Little wire cutter. I don't know, I just thought it was cool. It's nothing fancy, it's nothing extravagant. It's a little bit loose, but it's got a really pointy. It's really pointy, it's not abused. Like all the little things seem to be intact. I'm guessing somebody probably never even used the damn thing. Or it probably got used, but very low. I mean, I don't use all my needle nose pliers all the time. Check it out here. It doesn't appear to be any. Just forged steel. Probably what do you call it? Give them a good paint job. You can tell they were just painted right here, right here. I probably should just polish the ends right here. It was painted up to here, so what I'll do is I'll try to, maybe I'll vapor rust the tip like that. I'll put the tip in a vapor rust the whole damn thing, clean it off. Get a little brush, paint it, and what do you call it? Polish this side, put in my buffer. That's my plan anyway. That's just another little tiny tool I picked up. Thought it was cool. It was under $10. I think it was like $3. So like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, leave a comment, and leave me a comment that shows me you're not a robot. Thanks for watching.